Hello everyone. I decided to do this quick review for everyone who is interested in purchasing the Lovevery play gym, and so here it is. I'll go ahead and get started. So one thing is that first it comes with obviously the wooden bars, and then it also comes with 3 different toys. I know I have more here, but it comes with this ring toy, and then it comes with the ball, and then it comes with this pulley. Depending on your baby's age, there is an activity book that actually comes with it, which is awesome. There's also 5 different sections depending on what you guys are interested in doing for a specific day. So the first section is the hiding and finding, and you can actually hide objects and have your baby find them. So the next section is making sounds. You can open it up, colorful and blue with different sounds. And yeah. The next one is how things feel with different textures. Fourth one is exploring colors with all of the different colors. And then the last one is the learn to focus, where you can have a slot with and insert different kinds of pictures or your mirrors. Subscribe to Lovevery with the different play kits. I hooked up the one that actually goes on a stroller. You can actually mix and match your toys. So the last thing is, if I actually subscribe to the Lovevery play kits. So I currently have the 0 to 12 months. So if you are if you have the toys, or if you're subscribed, you can kind of add, like how I did it here. This actually goes on the stroller and has different sounds, and we also read the book here, and then we also use this to hold all the pictures. What's also nice is that you can actually turn this into a tent. If you want her to just maintain her focus, or as she gets older, she wants to play house, you have the capability. It's not hooked up all the way, so it's usually a lot more tighter once you screw it on at the top. So as much as we absolutely love this gym, the one thing I would say about this, if you haven't noticed it now, is that it harbors a lot of dust. And so the one thing that I recommend is actually buying a lint roller. So I purchased this one on Amazon, and this is a clean sheet, and I'll show you how much I harbor. So now it is absolutely clean, and this is how much I got. Also be mindful to clean under the flaps here, because dust can go under. And just so that everyone knows, I also vacuum once a week here, and then do dusting. So not sure why it gravitates so much. Maybe it's the type of material. It's really soft and nice to touch, but it seems like it's the type of material that just dust will gravitate towards it. So always, I clean it every morning, and I also wash it once a week, and I put it on delicates, and there you go. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of the Lovevery play gym. Looking forward to our 3 to 4 month play kits, and look out for that video. Have a good one. Bye.